Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kardashian Adventures. And for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong sa Del Silvery Hotel. So this is also one of the Accor Plus hotels here na malapit sa airport. So ito yung aming room. Bibigyan ko kayo ng quick room tour. We're staying here at 1127 and this is called the Sunset Suite. Of course, hindi namin to binook at a full price. Instead, we were just upgraded. Ang binook lang namin is the classic standard room, which only costs us 7,000 pesos. Pero ginamit ko yung points ko, so I only paid about 5,000. So ayan. So ito yung upgraded room namin because of the platinum membership ng Accor Plus. So this is the first part ng room. Pagpasok nyo, nandito yung kanilang Nespresso, and then yung kettle, tapos nandiyan yung mga capsule for Nespresso, and yung kanilang mga tea. And here, sa part na to, there's wine, tapos may maliliit na wine dito. These are complimentary, pero yung malaking wine is not. And then you also have yung mga wine glasses here. Then over here sa baba, they have a mini bar. Ayan, kompleto din. May soft drinks and other drinks. And then, on this side naman is the dining table. Ayan, maganda din yung dining table nila with that kind of lighting. And dito kayo pwede maglagay ng yung luggage sa area na to. And this is the living room or living area. Malaki siya. There's a sofa na pwede mo din gawing bed. Tapos, yan, may TV dito. Ayan. Let's go naman sa master's bedroom. So, this is called Sunset Suite. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung view, guys. Andito yung view ng Lantau Island. If I'm not mistaken, that's Lantau Island. Tapos yung sunset, pag hindi foggy, makikita nyo dito yun. Kaya lang, today, it's very foggy. Tapos ang lamig dito sa Hong Kong. So, hindi mo din siya makikita. Yung sunset view. So, ayan. Yan yung view dito. And, this is the king-size bed ng aming suite room. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Sobrang laki ng room. We never expected na i-upgrade kami sa suite. Ayan. Paikot yung view niya. Kasi sa glass lahat nung wall ng room. So, you can take a view of the whole Hong Kong, dito sa malapit sa airport. That's Airport Express. Ayun na, umaandar. Let's go naman here sa bathroom area. So, ito ang ating bathroom for tonight. We have a huge bathtub. Tapos, meron ditong double sink. Ayan. And of course, may view din dito ng Hong Kong. Ayan o, ganda, diba? And then, yan, may mga amenities sila dito. Yung, water. And then, this one, hotel gallery. I think this is the toiletries. And over here, nandito na din yung body wash, yung shampoo and conditioner na provided nila while taking a bath. Favorito ko dito sa Silvery, yung kanilang shower. Tingnan nyo, kakaiba yung Silvery. Shower is, mayroon sila nung overhead shower, mayroon nung rainfall shower, tapos mayroon pa sila nito sa gitna. Tatlong shower pa yun sa gitna. So, sa body mo yun tatama. Pero dahil maliit ako, tumatama sa mukha ko yung upper. Ito. Ayan. So, yan yung shower area. And sa lahat, almost sa mga hotel sa Hong Kong, walang bidet. Pero dito sa Silvery, meron silang automatic toilet And meron niyang automatic bidet para ka ding nasa Japan, o, diba? Yan. Dito sa bedside area naman, makikita nyo yung controls ng lights and also the control button para ma-open and close ang curtains sa glass wall para naman magkaroon tayo ng privacy. We only stayed overnight in this hotel kasi we just had our layover from our Vietnam trip. Parang side trip na din dito sa Hong Kong. Pero kahit quick lang yung stay namin, we really had a great time, comfortable, and relaxing talaga yung stay namin pag dito kami sa Silvery. There are a lot of amenities pa in this hotel that we didn't explore this time because sobrang konti lang nga ng time namin. But don't worry because we have another vlog about this hotel that will show you all the amenities of the Silvery. And the best part of this hotel is that they have a shuttle service that runs every hour going to the airport and from the airport. And ayun muna guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time!